guys, and welcome to another video of how to. It's me, Erin, and today we're going to make scones. So, first of all, put 350 grams of flour into a big bowl like this. I've already done that. And then put in your salt. So, pour that in. It's a pinch of salt, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and you put that in your flour. And then you also need baking powder. And yeah, also make sure you've washed your hands because that's very important during baking. You know, hear your parents nag about it, but it's very important. So, next I'm going to put in the butter. There is 85 grams of butter cut into little cubes, and you're just going to break them up and put them in your bowl. Because obviously roll up your sleeves because you're going to get dirty because you need to rub all your butter into this flour and baking powder and salt. Yeah, it's scones or scones, however you say it. My mum and my dad, my mum says scones, so do I. My brother and my dad both say scones. Yeah, so rub the butter. Trust me, these scones are delicious. I've had them many times before. I made them on VE Day. You're just going to rub this in with your hands. Really rub it in, really get stuck in, really push it in until all the lumps have gone. So I'm going to pause the video and I will rub it in and I'll join you again in a minute. Okay, so I have mixed all my butter into my flour and all the lumps have gone. And next, we need to stir in the caster sugar. So you'll need 3 whole tablespoons, like this, of caster sugar. So that's 1, 2, 3. So we're going to stir in with this, with a wooden spoon, like that. I'm going to stir this into the butter, flour, salt and baking powder. So I've done that, and this recipe makes 8 scones. So if you want to double it, you can do that if you love scones like me. But today I'm just going to make 8 for mine, so my family can have about 2 each. Okay. Next, I've already put a baking tray in the oven. So next I'm going to have the milk, which is 175 millilitres. We put it into a jug, which it already is, and heat in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So I'm going to go off and do that, and you can do that as well. So that's been in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and we're now going to add, I know it sounds a bit strange, a squeeze of lemon juice, which is equivalent of a teaspoon. This is because it curdles the milk, and you have to set it aside for a minute or 2, and it makes the texture really nice. So I'm going to put a teaspoon in the milk. You normally have to add vanilla extract, but we're out of that, so I'm going to leave that there for a while. I'm going going to pause the video and wait for about a minute or two. Okay, come back in a minute. So it's been a minute, and I'm going to get this. I'm going to take the spoon out for a minute of the bowl. And what you need to do is add the liquid and combine it quickly with a palette knife, like this. So you can quickly stir it. You need to do it quite quickly. You need to make it doesn't say in this recipe, but I always make a well in the middle and then stir it. It gives it a nice texture. So I'm going to just make a quick well. Okay. So I made a little hole and I'm going to add it into the hole. All of it. And now I'm going to quickly stir it out with my palette knife. Okay. It says at first it may seem a little bit too wet, but then it will dry up. Mine seems a little too dry. That's okay. But yeah, and keep mixing it till there's all the flour and all the other ingredients is mixed into it, and you will have this nice wet dough. That's good. I love eating all the dough, but obviously I won't because it's like raw. And then we're just gonna let it dry out, not for too long, only for like 5 seconds. So, because we don't want it going bone dry. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this together with my hand, and we don't want to overwork the dough, otherwise we'll have quite a tough scone. Okay. I'm going to get some flour and scatter it over my workspace so it doesn't stick to where I'm working. Then I'm going to get the dough out. Roll it. It needs to be smooth, it says. I don't want to overwork the dough though. Okay. So pat it into a round, which is about 4 centimetres deep. So you want it quite deep, but not too deep, otherwise it won't cook. You don't want it too thin, otherwise it'll go crispy. Because we're going to make as many as we can out of 4 centimetre thick dough. And then when it's risen, we will cut the dough in half. So this is about 4 centimetres thick. I'm just going to get my shape cutter. You can go round or you can do any shape you want. I'm just going to do the classic round, maybe 1 heart. So you need to cut it in. Do as many as you can. Okay, so I have made 8 scones. And yeah, so what you need to do now is glaze them so they have a nice shiny top. With the rest, I'm putting a twist on it. The recipe said eggs, but I think that's a waste of egg. So we're doing a little bit of milk, and it makes it a bit shinier. So off I go. I'm doing one over here so I can do an example. And so you brush a little bit on the top. I'll go put this back on my baking tray. You can do your other ones on your own now. If you were wondering what the recipe was. It's BBC Good Food. They are amazing. You should really go check out some of their other recipes. So yeah, I will pause the video and I've done all my coating and I will cook them and I'll show you the result afterwards. Okay, see ya. Guys, I'm going to put it in the oven now. These are my oven gloves. Okay, so they're out of the oven, and these are a few of them. Some of these, you need to have them quite golden brown. Some of these aren't as golden brown as I like, but the real test is to see. They have a hard bottom, not too hard. Like, so this one's perfect here. So is this one and this one. Because if they have a soggy bottom, that's not good. These are not cooked. So I'm going to do one cutting this one open. So you're just going to cut neatly in the middle. That's the perfect inside. And then you eat with jam, cream, if you want to. Enjoy. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Big shout out to all my friends and thank you Wilbur again for how-to videos. Bye!